What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today we're going to be playing a little bit with layers and density. I have one cup or one side with no silicone at all. This is going to be the base for the canvas. And then all these hot colors have one drop of the OGX coconut milk hair serum. And I'm going to do kind of a straight pour, just lines and flows that follow the contours of this. And with that, we're just going to start layering this cup. All right, so we got a cerulean blue. All these colors on the side over here, the cool colors, are mixed 2 parts Artist Loft pouring medium to 1 part paint. So that was cerulean blue. We have a titanium white. We have a phthalo blue. And then in the center of all this, I'm gonna kind of just apply a little bit of silver. I'm going to pour from high to try to get this to churn through a little bit. I didn't mix up very much silver. I just really like the shimmer and shine that it leaves behind. So how's everybody doing this wonderful day? I hope everybody's doing amazing. Moving day is rapidly approaching. I cannot wait. The movers should come in the next day or two and ship everything straight to Phoenix, Arizona, to the house that we're going to be living in there. And I am very excited. I know it's super hot over there from what everybody's telling me. And what, 115 average over the last like 30 days or something like that. It's kind of, it will be very different, but I still can't wait. So excited to start this next chapter here. And I'm really loving the way these colors are already looking together. Thank you guys so much for all the lovely comments. I'm trying to answer them all, but I'm also trying to pack and trying to get everything ready. So if I didn't answer you directly, I do try to answer within the first hour of upload. So if that helps you get your comment in faster to get a response. And then after that, it just gets exponentially more difficult for me to respond to the comments, you guys. But I do want you to know that like I do see them, and I am very grateful for you guys. You guys are awesome. All right, so we got those. Let's get all this beautiful cerulean blue out of here. Very, very excited to move, though. I can't even express how excited. There's not silver left. Okay, so I'm gonna move these hot colors out of the way. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna layer the hot colors in this cup. Now I do have white because I do want some contrast. Well, shoot. Did a little drippy drip. Did another one. Wow, you guys. Okay, well, we're just gonna continue to drip. It's all right. I do love these deep colors, though. And I think they're gonna look really cool with the cool colors. But you can already see, because there is silicone in this, you're probably seeing the cells already opening up. Let me add a little white to that. There we go. And just a pop of yellow. Boom. Good to go. Let me set these off to the side. I'll set them right here, because there's still some paint left in them. All right, so set that off to the side, and we're gonna do a messy flip with this one. Maybe before I do that, let me see. Let me wipe off some of that, because I don't think it'll affect it, but I don't want it coming through. Those cool colors. All right, here we go. Let's get this thing on there. And you can already see like the layers of these colors. Phenomenal. Wow. That's pretty. There's a big spot of this really ethereal looking white going on. I like that a lot. Now I know that I'm going to have to stretch this quite a lot to get it to do what I want it to do. And pop all these bubbles here. That's glorious looking. I really love this. And then that line and this line. So we will try to spin it in a way that maintains a lot of that. Let me let it spread just a little before we get it going. Oh man, I kind of like the way it got disturbed too. That's beautiful, guys. All right, let's give it a spin. I am gonna have to touch up the corners and that'll be fine. Or maybe not, maybe it did get all the way out. Okay, that is beautiful. Wow. Just seeing it from a, oh my goodness. Yeah, wow. You guys, that is glorious looking. So much subtle transparencies with these different minor density changes in these paints. I didn't get all the bubbles. You can see that line that's coming from that bubble. Let's see if I can get that one now. There we go. That's beautiful. All right. Now, I did say that I kind of want to try to follow contours. I mean, I would love to leave this just as it is, but I'm going to do another one just like this. So this one can be an experiment for us all. So let me start the stream, right? And then I'm just going to let the stream kiss it and travel. And then the same here. So this lets the colors stay very stark and defined. Because if they mixed with that blue, they would look totally different. But this does give us those cells, those color variations. That is stunning little stripe of color right there. Wow. All right, and I really love what's going on up there, so I don't really want to mess with that. We're getting some really cool cell effects going on. And the yellows and the reds. I think I'm going to go back over this yellow one though. That's odd though. If you look, you can see the silicone is spreading into the blue and creating cells where there's no silicone, which is really cool. All right, I do like that white. Here we go. Let me set this off to the side. And we're gonna take a torch to it and see what it does. Oh my Lord, look at that. Wow, that was not expected at all. The cells just boom, and then it is especially bleeding out into that blue now and creating blue cells on the outskirts, which is gorgeous. Let me bring you guys down. I want you to see this thing. This thing is, I love it. I love it. You can see these just tiny cells, really stark contrast in color. Absolutely stunning. And the way they're bleeding into the blue that had no silicone was not an expected consequence at all. But I absolutely love all the really delicate layers. It's beautiful. This piece dried super well. All the really wicked cells, really cool looking, nice layering. It's absolutely beautiful.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.